there's lots of stuff here for your bedroom. See what's out here. We'll come back in the garden before we'll come to the garden shop. Look!
Oh my god.
What is that, Emma? Do you know? It's a hibiscus.
That's pretty.
Ah. Aren't they pretty? Elias, that's called the geranium. Ah. What is that called? That's called a verbena.
Is it pumpkin? Yeah, it feels hard. Yeah.
Lizzie, what is that plant called?
A foxtail.
A foxtail what? Foxtail fern.
Yeah.
Why do you call it a foxtail fern?
Because the plant looks like a foxtail's tail.
Yeah. Emma, what's this plant called?
The spider plant?
Why?
It looks like it's a spider hanging from its silk, and it has lots of arms.
It looks like a little spider. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me, what's it feel like? Is it soft?
Yes, soft.
Be very gentle. And you like the poofy ones, huh?
Yeah. There's something cool about it. It looks like it's fake, but it's not.
I know, it's so perfect, isn't it? Look how pretty they
Hey, Mimi,
are.
do you like these colors?
Let me see. That is my favorite color, pink. Do you like it? It's called heather. Where's the little flower, Eli? Show me.
Oh, it's here. It's here.
Look at those tiny little flowers. Touch it.
What's that?
Feel the leaves. Aren't they soft?
Yeah, they feel like snowmen.
Yeah.
They're so soft.
Uh-huh. Let go. Okay, be gentle. Okay, yeah. Squeeze the bottom. And then gently pull out from the base. Not Emma, just wait. Lizzie's got to plant hers first. Okay, now pull the plant out from there, Liz. Now look at your roots. So those are a lot of roots. So what you want to do is kind of pinch them and break the roots a little bit. Like this. Sort of break them with your fingers. Let's turn it. Now be gentle on that stem. You just kind of break them up a little bit. All right, now, because yours is the tallest flower, we're going to put that to the back. So you go ahead and dig a hole. Emma, turn your flower so we don't break it. Ah, look how pretty that is. Now when you put your plants in, you don't want to bury them deeper than the top of the surface. So let's pull that up a little bit. We'll put some more soil under that. Okay, all right, Emma, put it like this. Okay, then kind of just move the soil aside just a little bit. Okay, see, yours is not very deep. See, that's not very deep, so we don't need to make as big a hole. Let's put yours right here, okay? We'll set it right there. Okay, now bring the soil around the edge. Okay, just give it a little blanket. All right, okay, good. No. Squish the top, squish. Good, okay, let's see, watch it fall out. Let go. Look at the roots. Isn't that cool?
It's all white.
Yeah, so let's put yours right here.
I found a pink one.
That's right. Okay, that's good. Now let's put it right here.
See your hands, Daddy.
That's fun. Okay. Oh, look at all those.
Why no
roots.
different roots?
Yeah.
Why
Okay.
are we breaking that?
Well, so that they'll grow better. Okay, let's dig a hole. Put a hole in there.
What
Good.
if we give him a blanket?
Yeah, okay, now cover it up with soil. Good, and we're all done. Look how pretty that is.